Dentsply Sirona Endodontics brings you the confidence of a complete endo system. Introducing the WaveOne Gold Solution Kit, a proven family of products specifically designed to work together as a system approach to better endo. Conveniently packaged at a great value, the kit takes you from glide path to obturation with efficiency. The X-Smart IQ cordless motor controlled by an Apple iOS application gives you portability and freedom of movement. In addition to continuous rotary motion, it provides reciprocating motion and is pre-programmed for use with WaveOne Gold instruments. The WaveOne Gold Glider optimizes your glide path before shaping with the WaveOne Gold file. Made with advanced metallurgy, WaveOne Gold increases patient safety while reducing shaping time across a wide range of cases. Pre-mixed and ready to use as a final rinse after sodium hypochlorite, Q-Mix 2-in-1 irrigating solution removes smear layer and kills 99.99% bacteria. Gutta-core for WaveOne Gold obturators match the size of the canals prepared with your corresponding WaveOne Gold reciprocating file. A gutta-core oven is also included. We're here for you with helpful online and live continuing education courses, as well as other resources to help you get the most from your WaveOne Gold Solution Kit. Explore our calendar of CE courses facilitated by the foremost leaders in endodontics. WaveOne Gold Solution Kit, confidence and efficiency in a complete endo treatment solution. iPad mini is required but not included.